Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Redotpay Virtual Card. First, download the Redotpay app from the App Store or Google Play Store on your iOS or Android device. Open the app and sign up using your email address or phone number. After creating your account, complete the identity verification process, also known as KYC. This step usually requires uploading a valid ID and possibly taking a selfie for verification. Once approved, set up a secure 4-digit PIN to protect your account. Next, go to the Cards section inside the app. Tap on Virtual Card, then select Create New Card. Here, you can choose the currency for your card and set spending limits, such as daily or monthly limits. After selecting your preferences, tap Generate. Your virtual card will be created instantly, and you will see the card details including the card number, expiry date, and CVV. Now, go to the Wallet section and tap Add Funds. Select your bank account or debit card as funding source. Enter the amount you want to add and confirm the transaction. For security, it's recommended to fund the card only with the amount you plan to spend. To use the card, copy the card details and enter them just like a regular debit or credit card when making online payments. Some platforms may also support integration with Apple Pay or Google Pay for easier checkout. You can freeze or delete the card at any time from the app for added security. You can also set spending limits to prevent overspending and monitor your transactions in real time directly from the app. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.